Ready.
Hey folks, Simon here from the Overlanders, just showing you the new National Luna stuff that we're getting in now. Beautiful fridges made in South Africa for many years, stainless steel shell. This is the 50-litre twin, so it's a new addition from National Luna. It's got a 40-litre fridge and a roughly 10-litre freezer. I really like that combination. So we'll take you through the unboxing, show you what it's made of. Okay, unboxing the National Luna. National Luna twin. I'll just take her on a little walk around. I've used angle fridges in the past, so just interested to compare the way that they're made. There's the I think it's a 9-litre freezer and a roughly 40-litre fridge with these really tough baskets. I'll show you a bit of detail on the basket. Well made. One thing I really like about the National Luna is it comes with a battery voltage monitor, so you can see what your battery's up to. That's a nice add-on, that's worth something. Stainless steel outer casing. One clever little feature I've noticed here on the handles, which is again a solid, good quality plastic, which you expect at this price point, is a clever little tie-down slot. So rather than using the handle, which was the case on the angle, which I never had much faith in terms of actual safety, you're tying it down with 4 solid screws in a way that there's no lever on the strap. Much stronger. Basket A and basket B, so you have 2 different height baskets for use in the fridge. Again, in comparison to the angle, this is really a good system because you can take a basket of food out rather than trying to. In the angle, you can bring the basket out if you want, but it's all one piece. I'm talking about the 40-litre at the moment, so yeah, this is going to be quite a bit more functional, I think. And the same for the freezer compartment. In the 60-litre fridge, the size up from this, you have dual controls, so a freezer control and a fridge control temperature. For the 50-litre, you set the temperature on the fridge, and the freezer is compensated accordingly. A couple more details: these strong rails underneath the fridge, which run the full length of the unit, which is great. I think this is a better idea than having 4 feet. An accessible fuse and the National Luna plug, which is like a tiny little Anderson plug almost, and the 240 volts. The motor inside the casing, there's actually plenty of space around that motor, so lots of room for cooling. You can see here the 2 LED lights. And the other thing I like about this fridge is the quality of this molded top is good, and there's no gaps or seals or things to get dirty or, very robust. And on the lid, you have a really decent proper fridge seal. And again, strong, solid, everything's strong and solid. These latches are a little bit more robust than the Engel ones. Really well thought out. These guys have been doing it a long time. I'm impressed. Can't wait to use it.
So we grab one of those and just correct.
Yeah, we have the bucket. I think a good investment in keeping it looking shipshape, particularly if you ever want to resell it. A lined canvas bag, not insulated but tough. So we're going to use this. We're going to use this fridge, and we'll do a review of it in use. In a few months, we'll come back to it and let you know how it's been working. Okay, so a little bit of background on why we've gone for the National Luna. We've been using Engels before. Ivan's got a Waco, I think. The Engel's been fine, but in my vehicle, the Engel hinges from this edge on the 40-litre fridge, and my vehicle just wasn't tall enough to let it go up to that height, so I could never open the lid properly. So this one, hinging from the side, is going to suit my configuration better. So when I started looking for ones that did that job, read the reviews on the National Luna, great reviews, really well insulated fridges. The way that it keeps things cold at an even rate is kind of top of its class. So the other reason that I really like this fridge is because I wanted to get a freezer. I like the combination of this being a roughly 10-litre freezer with a 40-litre fridge. So that suited me fine. So yeah, good to compare the two. We'll let you know how they kind of pan out and see what's good about this one. It's got quite a sophisticated, compared to other fridges I've used, set of things that you can do. So we'll go through that in a later review. But for instance, you've got a turbo setting and an alarm and that really useful voltage monitor. Looking forward to checking that out. Guys, a little detail here again. The Danfoss BD35F compressor, and this fridge designed and manufactured in South Africa. And here again, the hinges at the back. Really good quality molded hinges, plenty of screw points, nice big screws used as well. This is something that'll last.